What's up, party people? Hey guys, what's up? Krista here again. Lucky you. I decided I needed to make a change for the better. I don't know why I just broke out into Italian. Anyway, there's nothing else it could possibly be besides my mattress. It was really old and I needed to upgrade, needed to get a new one. I came across the Endy Mattress, so I ended up buying it, unboxed it, ordered it about 3 days ago. It just came in today. When you're sleeping, apparently it gives a lot of like, I don't know what it's called, like when you're hot and it gives you a lot of aeration. But like, is that for somebody who farts? Like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm doing an unboxing of the Endy Mattress. So there it is. Okay.
So you guys have seen me with no makeup and you're in my bedroom. This is getting real personal real quick. I brought the Endy mattress up the stairs all by myself. If I can do it, you can. It came with this cute little envelope thanking you for your purchase and encouraging you to share. Rules are open the box, unroll, unwrap, watch it expand, and love sleep. Seems pretty simple. It also came with this neat little cutting tool that I will show you how to use later. Obviously, when there's a big box, you have to jump into it. Let's be realistic. So there's the cutting tool that came with the envelope. I used it to unwrap the plastic of the mattress, which was surprisingly tight. When the mattress was unwrapped, I was pleasantly surprised, let's be honest. It was so soft, felt like clouds. I was so excited to sleep on it soon. Once I got it in my bed frame was from IKEA. It was really simple. It expanded and you'll see that right about now. You see how it expanded so quick? Usually I think it takes about a week to expand to its like full comfiness, but to be honest, I reaped the benefits really quickly. I slept in this queen size bed the first night and it was a dream, to be honest. There's no need to wait. You can use it right away. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to subscribe, I would really appreciate it, and connect with me on Instagram and Twitter at Classic Krista.